A solid gold bar starts a journey that few people will ever see inside one of the most secretive facilities in the world. Even the most competent outsiders are prohibited from approaching a $50,000 Rolex because it has undergone phases of craftsmanship that are so exact and guarded. Today we're entering the secret realm of Rolex, where watches are more than just timepieces and gold is more than just metal. They are works of luxury, obsession, and secrecy. Nothing here is typical, so get ready. Number 8. The hidden gold vault. Rolex starts with gold that is so valuable and uncommon that the factory vaults look like movie treasure chambers. Each bar is made of 18-karat gold that has been meticulously chosen from the most reputable suppliers worldwide with an exact purity of 75%. However, Rolex protects it with multiple security measures, including armed guards, biometric scanners, and panic systems built to safeguard millions of dollars worth of precious metal. The air is temperature controlled and humidity is constantly monitored to prevent any degradation of the gold. According to insiders, some bars are set aside exclusively for rare editions, watches that will never touch a store shelf, ensuring exclusivity that almost no other company can match. Standing near these vaults is said to feel like being in a cathedral of wealth, a place where the shimmer of gold is almost sacred, and the tension of its potential transformation into a masterpiece is palpable. The entire vault is a shrine to gold, with temperature monitoring and air control. According to some insiders, some bars are kept in the vault exclusively for rare editions that collectors would never see. This adds a level of exclusivity that few companies can match. Number 7. The alchemy of refining. After being chosen, the gold bars are melted in furnaces at temperatures more than 1,000 degrees Celsius. This is more than just a straightforward melt. It's a precise ritual that requires precise timing, heat, and precision. The entire batch could be damaged with only a few seconds off. After years of training, Rolex technicians closely watch each step and analyze samples for purity several times. After that, the molten gold is poured, cooled, and occasionally melted once more to ensure the metal is perfect. The procedure, which Rolex refers to as liquid perfection, is so exact that it verges on alchemy, transforming raw metal into a medium that can preserve craftsmanship for centuries. Number 6. Shaping the icon cases and bezels. The gold is refined and then shaped into the recognizable forms of Rolex cases and bezels. Every case is ground to tolerances that are thinner than a human hair, and even the smallest departure results in the component being thrown out. As if the gold demands respect, the machining is done in almost complete silence using tools with diamond tips. Before leaving the molding stage, certain cases are polished several times, and each bezel is examined for symmetry and reflectiveness. While bezels are meticulously inspected for flawless alignment, the stakes are immense. Tens of thousands of dollars worth of gold could be melted down and repurposed if a single piece fails. It is at this point that raw wealth begins its transformation into legendary luxury, the suspense growing with every polished surface in perfectly shaped contour. Tens of thousands of dollars worth of gold could be melted down and repurposed if a single watch fails, which is what creates the suspense. This is the point at which unadulterated money starts to become a legend of luxury. Number 5. The bracelet secret. Beyond just being useful, Rolex bands are engineering marvels. Every link is sculpted, polished, and put through tests for durability, comfort, and flexibility. The renowned Oyster and Jubilee bracelets are subjected to microscopic examinations, with polishers working for hours or even weeks under intense lighting to eliminate flaws that are imperceptible to the unaided eye. The tension between the links is meticulously evaluated even after the bracelet is assembled to make sure it feels both fluid and heavy. Only a small percentage of bracelets pass the final examination on their first try, according to some experts, making each one a feat of talent and patience. This painstaking process turns every bracelet into a feat of human skill, patience, and obsessive attention to detail, highlighting the care that Rolex invests in every seemingly simple component. Number 4. The dial tiny masterpieces. Rolex views the dial as the watch's soul. Rare materials like meteorites and strange minerals are used to make many dials. The procedure of manually placing each numeral, hour marker, and hand is so delicate that even a small dust particle may destroy the dial. Expert gemologists set costly gemstones for some high-end models. This process might take months for a single dial. Every completed dial is examined under a microscope that magnifies it hundreds of times, guaranteeing flawlessness that even the most perceptive eye would miss. There is always tension since a single flaw can ruin weeks' worth of work in an instant. Number 3. The mechanical heart movement secrets. Inside every Rolex, the movement or caliber is a miniature machine of unmatched complexity. Hundreds of components, including gears, springs, and wheels, are fitted and adjusted by hand. But Rolex doesn't just assemble movements, they test them for accuracy under conditions of varying temperature, humidity, and even pressure. Each watch may run through multiple timing devices and simulations over several days, with fine adjustments made to ensure precision within mere fractions of a second. The drama lies in the fact that even gold-cased watches must meet these rigorous standards, combining opulence with mechanical perfection. The suspense is ever present as the mechanical heart of the watch is simultaneously delicate, complex, and essential to its legacy of precision. Number 2. Extreme testing, polishing, and pressure. Once the watch is fully assembled, it faces intense final tests. Rolex subjects each piece to water resistance checks in tanks simulating extreme depths, shock tests mimicking real-world impacts, and humidity chambers to ensure longevity. After testing, the watch is polished meticulously by hand once again, eliminating even the tiniest blemish. Each surface is examined under special lighting to detect fingerprints or dust invisible to the human eye. This stage is the ultimate crucible. Only watches meeting flawless standards survive. The tension here is cinematic. Any flaw requires starting from scratch, reinforcing that every Rolex is a product of uncompromising standards and unwavering craftsmanship. This final crucible is where only perfect watches survive. The suspense here is almost cinematic, as any flaw means starting over from scratch. Number 1. From secret factory to elite collectors. Finally, the watches are boxed and sent to carefully chosen retailers or private collectors. Some never even make it to stores. They are whisked away directly to secret collections, their existence known only to a select few. From a simple gold bar to a $50,000 masterpiece, the journey is one of secrecy. Each Rolex embodies secrecy, obsession, and human precision. More than a watch, it is a story of artistry, engineering, and luxury, with every stage from vault to molten gold to microscopic dials and intricate movements, showcasing what happens when perfection is the only acceptable standard. Each Rolex is not just a timepiece, it is the culmination of decades of skill, passion, and unparalleled dedication, craftsmanship, and obsession. Each Rolex is not just a timepiece, it is a story of human precision, artistry, and luxury so exclusive that only a privileged few ever experience it firsthand. Every Rolex is more than a watch. It's gold, obsession, secrecy, and engineering combined. From vaults to molten gold, microscopic dials, and hidden movements, each timepiece is a testament to what happens when perfection is the only standard. If you love stepping inside this secret world, hit like, subscribe, and unlock more stories of the world's most coveted luxuries. Remember, what you saw today is luxury behind locked doors, and it's more fascinating than you could imagine.
Each piece here is a testament to the seamless integration of science, meticulous engineering, and high art.